Good morning, students. Let's see chapter number 8, rare natural phenomena. Many rare and unbelievable natural phenomena occurs on earth. They take place due to many factors such as biological process, germination, decomposition, erosion, tidal flow, and natural disasters such as volcanic eruption, earthquake, and electromagnetic pulses. Recognize the following natural phenomena with the help of given clues in the help box. Write their names in the given ब्लैंक. ठीक है. नेचुरल फिनोमिना मतलब जो सडनली हो जाता है, जैसे अर्थक्वेक, टाइड्स, डिजास्टर. इट इज़ अ नेचुरल फिनोमिना दैट ऑकर्स इन द समर मंथ इन प्लेस ऑफ नॉर्थ ऑफ आर्टिक सर्कल और साउथ ऑफ अंटार्कटिक सर्कल. ये कौन सा नेचुरल फिनोमिना है जो आर्टिक सर्कल कब होता है? गर्मियों के महीने में आर्टिक सर्कल और अंटार्कटिक सर्कल में. व्हेन द सन्स रिमेन विजिबल एट लोकल मिडनाइट, दैट इज मिडनाइट सन. These rare shapes are formed when masses of snow either fall. Number 2. These rare shapes are formed when masses of snow either falls or is blown by the wind when it manages to catch onto some other snow when wind is in its favor. That is snow donuts. SNOWDONUTS. These are lens-shaped stationary clouds that form at high altitude. Many a times they have been mistaken for UFOs, that is lenticular clouds. LENTICULAR, lenticular clouds. Fourth, its feature of one of the Maritia Island located west of Puerto Vallarta, Mexico, at the mouth of Banderas Bay. The islands are in a chain of land formation formed by underwater volcanic eruption. Over the years, tides have brought sand and water to fill these holes, creating breathing beaches hidden from the outside world. That is hidden beach. HIDDEN, hidden BEACH, beach. These are small clumps of crystal not more than 3-4 centimeters high. They can form and develop on a thin fresh layer of ice, and only when there is a large difference of 20 degrees Celsius between the temperature on the ice surface and in the air. That is frost flowers. FROST, frost. FLOWERS, flowers. These strange shapes rising inly from the frozen landscape look like something from science fiction film. These forest-covered trees are located in Finnish Lapland, close to the Arctic Circle, where temperature drops as far as 40 degrees Celsius. In sub-zero conditions, the snow becomes so thick that everything is covered in a thick blanket. That is Finnish Lapland structure. FINNISH, Finnish Lapland structure. Now, next chapter number 9, hybrid animals. A hybrid of lion and tiger. Lion और tiger के hybrid को क्या बोलते हैं? Liger, LIGER, liger. A hybrid of several and domestic cat. और cat के hybrid को क्या बोलते हैं? Savan, SAVANNAH. A hybrid of polar bear and brown bear. That is growler, GROLAR, growler bear. Fourth, a hybrid of buffalo and cow. That is beefalo, BEEFALO. A hybrid of zebra and donkey. That is zonkey, ZONKEY, zonkey. A hybrid of goat and sheep. That is geep, GEEP, geep. Then a hybrid of camel and llama. That is Kama, CAMA. A hybrid of wolf and dog. Wolf dog, WOLF DOG, wolf dog. A hybrid of mallard and Moscow duck. That is mullard, MULARD, mullard. Now you will complete your GK book.